Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast issue after iOS 16.5 update. So guys, here you can see guys, I have latest version iOS 16.5. So guys, how can we fix this issue? So simply, first of all, turn off 5G connectivity if you are using 5G connectivity. So turn off your 5G, and then after this the next solution is turn off keyboard haptics on iPhone. So for this, go to settings, tap on sounds and haptics, scroll down, so tap on keyboard feedback, and here is the sounds and haptics. So simply tap to turn off haptic, and then after this the next solution is enable low power mode on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, tap on battery, tap to turn on low power mode, and then after this the next solution is turn off background app refresh. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh. So if this is enabled, so simply tap to turn off background app refresh, and then after this the next solution is turn off turn off location services. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services. So while the location services is turned on, and then tap to turn this off if this enabled. So after this the next solution is update all your apps. So for this, go to App Store, tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So simply update all the apps. So I have updated all apps, and then after this the next solution is reset all settings. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So well, this will reset all settings, and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be moved. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your battery draining issue on your iPhone in iOS 16.5. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next video. Thank you.